Like my bitches on four legs barking, rapping and spitting's my forte, sparking. Many a sore day after a hard head, never a fool, never throw your cards in. I am the target, pick up my shot like a marksman. I'm a king of kings like Henrik Larsson. Walk in the rave, can't feel my face. John Travolta, Nicolas Cage. She doesn't get the reference, shows her rage. She's looking at me like she wants a taste of what I'm on. That's the rapper Don. He be battering and he beat. He's rapping on, strapping none, capping none, slapping none but ass cheeks. Battering beats like fish, chicken, sausage, scallops, pasty. I remember days, brassic, made the bread, stretched like elastic. Don't pass the make, past me, let me get illmatic like nasty. Just give me a class beat, then I'll give you a classic. Better than I've ever been, never settling back on the bacon and pedaling towards this life like I'm reveling. Looking at the shirt like who let the rebel in what? Shouting Chucky or la. Nah, I mean pulling moves non-stop, pure stamina. Big Don in the booth, but in the school I'm just Danaher. You can't be both. Oh, kinda nah, used to be the kind of man. Be on my left when passing that. Rigging spliffs like Yamaha, fly kicks like Cantona. Fuck a Brits like sticking your dick in the Sassenach. I just like the rap a lot, round the table Camelot. I don't see where the problem's at, I'm problematic. Like my women kinda toxic, heading well like a proxy. Sweet face, sweet body. Do you dare no Johnny? Probably. I like my bitches on four legs barking.
Rapping and spitting's my forte, sparking.
Many a sore day after a hard head.
Never a fool, never throw your cards in. I am the target, taking my shot like a marksman. I'm a king of kings like Henrik Larsson. Woof woof, two dons bite back in the booth. The doof doof, come pull the face, bounce up the place. Come bring down the roof. Jump on a drilly cause I'm really fed up to the back tooth. Gonna get a little taste like a moose bush. One eye on the target on a mission like I'm Tom Cruise. Cause they can't relieve all this pressure that I'm applying. I get signs from the divine. It's about time my stars aligned and confide in my shrine and recline. Cause these pricks are lying. Got these bitches moving marble flows. That like guita, it look at a fine design. Oh, can I get a blessing? Praying on my L's but they can never get in. Toss them up, it's a dressing. Mix a couple checks with the lettuce, get the bread in. Filipino representing. Do it for my people now, I'm transcending. Ill mind as a hops in. Getting silly with a Henny, sniff a light a concoction. Silkwood short, it's a cleansing. Inhale the smoke and breathe out the toxins. Make money as the clock runs, cause I'm in the cash and you know I got options. Lights, camera, action. I'm a little unhinged, so please approach with caution. Middle finger to the sovereign. Scream fuck the monarchy and burn up the system.
Just give me a class beat, then I'll give you a classic. Better than I've ever been, never settling back on the bacon and paddling towards this life like I'm reveling. Looking at the shirt like who let the rebel in what? Shouting Chucky or la. Nah, I mean pulling moves non-stop, pure stamina.